Welcome to Car Info Master, your trusted destination for everything about the world of cars, from classics to the latest launches. If you're passionate about performance, power, and automotive design, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe for more updates like this. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the official unveiling of the next generation Shelby Cobra 427 new series. This isn't just a car, it's a rebirth of a legend. Shelby American has taken one of the most iconic muscle cars in automotive history and brought it roaring into the modern era. The new Cobra 427 doesn't just carry the legacy of the original, it redefines it. The design remains faithful to the aggressive, low-slung look we all know and love, but with sharper lines, updated aerodynamics, and a stunning balance of classic styling and futuristic touches. The signature wide fenders, long hood, and compact rear are all here, but now with modern lighting elements, lightweight carbon fiber accents, and advanced airflow management. Under the hood, the powertrain is nothing short of a masterpiece. Shelby has equipped the new Cobra 427 with a turbocharged V8 engine that delivers a staggering 750 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 750 horsepower in a rear-wheel drive beast that weighs less than most modern sedans. This means the new Cobra 427 is not just fast, it's brutally fast. Shelby claims a 0 to 60 time under 3.4 seconds, making it one of the quickest American sports cars ever made. Inside, the cabin stays true to its performance roots while embracing luxury and technology. You'll find hand-stitched leather racing seats, a vintage-style wood steering wheel, and a modern digital instrument cluster that blends seamlessly with classic toggle switches and analog dials. Every detail inside has been crafted to respect the car's racing heritage while providing the comfort and control drivers expect from a high-performance machine in 2025. Shelby has also worked on improving handling and safety without compromising the raw feel of driving a Cobra. With a reinforced chassis, advanced suspension system, and upgraded Brembo brakes, the car handles corners like a modern track machine. And yes, it still features that unmistakable roar, now with active exhaust control for both street and track modes. Limited production is part of the plan. Shelby has announced that only a small number of units will be made globally, each individually numbered, making this not just a car but a collector's dream. So, is this the ultimate blend of heritage and innovation? We think so. The next generation Shelby Cobra 427 new series is more than just a tribute, it's a high-octane future classic. Thanks for watching Car Info Master. If you enjoyed this video and want more updates on legendary cars reimagined for the modern era, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.